During World War II, an unusual secret project existed in Great Britain. The authorities were seriously preparing to use fake cities. When German bombers began attacking English cities, the British created a network of decoy targets, starfish sites. At night, special lights were switched on outside the real cities to mimic streets, factories, railway stations, and even fires from bomb strikes. Luftwaffe pilots thought they were looking at a real city and dropped their bombs on empty fields. For example, entire ghost replicas of industrial areas were built near Bristol and Sheffield. Historians believe that these decoy cities saved thousands of lives and numerous factories. The most fascinating part is that many local residents didn't even know that a secret counterfeit version of their city was located right next to them. After the war, some of these locations were simply abandoned, and today they look like ordinary fields or forests. There is another little-known fact. In some cases, the British deliberately set patches of land on fire so that from the air it would look like an already bombed city. This tricked the pilots into thinking the target had been destroyed, rendering a follow-up raid unnecessary.